Unpacking is something we use in Python to shorten our code. So for example, I'm going to make a list and then I'm going to say 5, 6, 7. And you want to give each one of these numbers a letter value. So you could do it like this. You could say x equals list 0 and then copy it and then list 1 and then the next one could be z equals list 2. So that would be a way to give each one a letter value, and we can test it worked by printing x. So it comes out as 5. But this is a bit too long of code. So instead we can write something like this. So we could do x, comma, then y, z, and then equals lists. So let me just take this part off. And then let me print x. As you can see, it still works. The reason why it works is because the interpreter goes to the first item in the list and assigns it to this letter, and then the second item and assigns it to this letter, and then so on. So that's a way to unpack your code and organize it.